Cherokee DNA, pickup attitude. This Comanche's the sneaky trail hustler nobody sees coming. Built from 86 to 92 on Cherokee bones, the MJ runs a unibody up front with stout rear frame rails and a true pickup bed. Short bed or long bed, light curb weight, simple layout, and parts everywhere because it shares so much with the XJ. Suspension is old school right where you want it. Solid front axle, leaf spring rear. Most trucks got a Dana 30 up front and a light duty rear, but the good ones pack a stouter rear end, especially with the heavy duty packages. If you find one with the BP rear axle, grab it. It's the difference between fun toy and bring it weekend. Engines are straight to the point. Base 2.5 4-cylinder, tough and honest, loves 410 gears, just don't expect fireworks. Early trucks sometimes got the GM V6, meh. The move is the 4.0 straight six. Early Renix years run smooth when the grounds are clean. 91 to 92 HO engines breathe better and feel friskier everywhere. Manuals matter. Skip the weak VA 10.5 and hunt for the AX15. It shifts clean and takes abuse. The AW4 Auto is a sleeper. Reliable, great ratios, and friendly on the trail. Transfer cases? 2 flavors. MP231 is part-time and simple. MP242 adds a full-time mode that's money for mixed weather and daily use. Gear it right and the truck crawls better than it looks on paper. Torque down low, stable wheelbase, and way more traction than its skinny fenders suggest. Let's talk metric ton. That package was the MJ's mic drop. Heavy-duty rear springs, stouter axle, beefier brakes, and a payload rating that lives up to the name. It looks like a small truck until you stack it with lumber or gear, then it just shrugs and goes back for more. If you're shopping, learn the tells. Big multi-leaf pack, thick shackles, HD spare carrier, and the rear axle that doesn't flinch. Trims keep it fun. Sport Truck is a simple work vibe. Pioneer adds comfort and nice trim. Eliminator is the spicy street look with buckets, graphics, and often the good drivetrain. An HO Eliminator with an AX15 is a golden ticket. Real world, the MJ's way more capable than folks expect. Light nose helps it climb, the wheelbase keeps it planted on ledges, long beds can still thread tight trails with a good spotter thanks to that narrow Cherokee footprint. It's not trying to be a trophy truck, just a steady billy goat with pickup utility. Reliability quirks to knock out on day one, clean every engine ground, refresh the battery cables, and chase any weird idle or temp swings with fresh sensors and vacuum lines. Cooling systems get tired. New radiator, water pump, and a fan clutch turn the truck from hot-headed to rock solid. If it's a 4.0 with the old Peugeot V8 10.5 manual, budget a swap to AX15 and never think about it again. Steering play, track bar and tie rods, wake it up. Brake pool, new hoses, and good pads, done. Rust check like you mean it. Crawl under the cab and inspect the uniframe rails, the rear shackle boxes, and the floor pans. Peek at bed seams, cap corners, and the frame rails near the leaf mounts. The bed itself is Comanche specific, and clean tail lights or trim can be pricey. Don't ignore cosmetics, they're value levers with these trucks. Mod path that actually works, 2 to 3 inches of lift, fresh shocks that aren't bargain bin, and 31s or light 32s with proper backspacing. Re-gear if needed so it doesn't feel lazy. A junkyard rear axle upgrade or locker turns it into a trail sleeper. Keep the steering geometry happy, don't overlift it. Skip plates and sliders before bling. This truck rewards smart protection. A simple exhaust and intake refresh mix the 4.0 fuel live without wrecking drivability. Daily duty and hauling? It rides firmer than modern midsizers but steers with honesty. It'll carry real weight without whining and tow a small trailer if the cooling and brakes are sorted. MPG isn't hybrid good, but the power bend is so usable you won't care. Market watch. Clean, rust-free MJs are climbing. The honey holes are 91-92 HO trucks, AX15 manuals, eliminators, and anything legitimately heavy-duty, especially metric ton. Rough projects can hide scary rust, hacked wiring, and unobtaining trim. Pay a premium for clean bones, it saves you money and headaches later. Quick buyer's punch list. Straight bed and good tail lights, no rot in the rear rails or shackle boxes, tight steering box on a solid mount, dry main ring and valve cover, cooling system with receipts, and a transmission that doesn't grind or slip. If it drives straight and stops straight, you're 80% there. White still slaps, lightweight, plus solid axles, plus the Cherokee parts bin equals a small truck that's cheap to keep, easy to wrench, and shockingly capable. It doesn't need hero parts to be fun, it just needs someone who gets it. If you're into underrated trucks and trail-ready oddballs, jump in with us. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next sleeper build story.